Hello and welcome. My name is Hazi Irons. We're here today at the Macomb Fieldhouse where the Edinboro Fighting Scots men's wheelchair basketball team is going against the Steelers today. So we have Seamus McNally here, guard for the Edinboro basketball team. How you feeling?
I'm excited. This is the biggest crowd we've played in front of all year, so it'll be a good time.
Exactly. So given you guys' history, you guys went to Canada recently. How do you think your strengths as a team will play out today against huge guys like the Steelers?
So yeah, they'll be a lot bigger than us, but we're going to be a lot faster. So I think our speed advantage is going to give us an edge in the game.
Yeah. So your speed, your commitment, what else? One more thing, the top thing.
Chair skills. Like, we're used to pushing around in chairs, and they have no idea how. So.
Exactly. So we'll see today if the strength or the brains and also the strength will work out today. So like I said, Hazi Irons, Shane McNally, we'll see the game pretty soon.
We are ready to start. It's going to be Edinboro wheelchair basketball taking on the Pittsburgh Steelers wheelchair basketball team. If that sounds weird, it kind of is, but I am ready to go. My name is Gabe Hypes, and I will be your play-by-play commentator for the day. And alongside me is Dakota Palmer on color. How are you doing today, Dakota?
I'm doing well. How are you, Gabe?
I can't talk. It's going to be the first game I'm calling in quite a while, so bear with me for a little bit. But you see them on the court right now.
They're to our left.
Here. They're right to our left, and so they're going to be alongside us for the rest of the night. Going down, we have a full roster, but it looks like a couple of them could not make the trek. But looks like to be starting is going to be number 55, Arthur Moats, linebacker for the Pittsburgh Steelers. We're also going to have number 29, Brian Allen, who was just drafted out of Utah last year to the Steelers. He's a cornerback. Also going to have Lewis Lips, who played in the 80s and 90s on the Steelers. He's a star wide receiver for the team. And then we also have number 71, Matt Thieler, and number 80, Jake McGee, and number 5, the backup QBs, Joshua Dobbs out of Tennessee. And so it's going to be quite a night. You should know by now the Edinboro Fighting Scots lineup of their wheelchair basketball team. Dakota, do you want to break down their team?
Absolutely, I will.
We'll sit back down also. It looks like it cleared out a little bit.
All right. So do you want me to just name everyone?
Yeah, go ahead and go through
All right. So for the Edinboro Fighting Scots wheelchair basketball team, we have number 4, Zach Craddock. Number 12, Bryson McLeod. Number 13, Seamus McNally. Number 14, Kyle Cavalier. Number 21, Chase Wolf. Number 24, Corrales Dupree, who apparently gave a really, really awesome presentation today in Wiley about his life.
Awesome.
Yeah. Number 32, Will Speed. Number 33, Ayuba Ali. Number 34, Robert Baz. Number 35, Kevin Atherley. Number 50, Zadorian Lane. And number 5, Alex Sala.
I actually did not look at the roster for the Edinboro side now, so all business as usual. So Kevin Atherley coming back and playing this game, I guess, as the gold medal recipient. Am I correct, Dakota?
Yes, he is.
So he graduated a couple years ago, went on to win a gold medal in the Paralympic Games just a few years ago in wheelchair basketball. So that has to be the star athlete. I don't think many of the Steelers out here don't have a gold medal, so that's something to consider over their head. We are just about to start. We are under 4 minutes until game time. It looks like we have number 13 of the wheelchair basketball team, McNeely.
McNally.
McNally, sporting his Ravens jersey. That is not.
Ooh. Hit him where it hurts. At least it's not a Jaguars jersey.
Ravens pretty bad.
Well, yeah.
So like I said, just about to start here. For the tip-off. And we will go through regular wheelchair basketball rules, but I don't know if that can be whatever happens.
I agree. It'll be a nice game of street wheelchair basketball.
Street wheelchair basketball. I haven't heard that one before. But real quick, I want to make sure you tweet out the official start time.
Absolutely.
Follow along right here on ETV. Right on our YouTube page. Follow along on our YouTube page, and follow along on the Twitter page at Edinboro Now. Prediction of the game we usually do for these Edinboro matchups, kind of what to expect, what's going to be happening, your predictions. would be shocked if Edinboro's wheelchair basketball team didn't have to take it easy with the Steelers.
I agree. I agree 100%. And you know, the Steelers, they're good at football. That's their specialty. But our Fighting Scots went 19-17 this season, and we came here to win.
Yeah, that's 19-17 against a lot of teams from all over the country, and actually all over the globe. I mean, there's Canada teams that are playing. There are teams traveling into Edinboro. There's Edinboro traveling out of the country to play these games. I would say probably the most active team in Edinboro sports out of any of them. Football, basketball, it has to be. Sorry, we are dealing with a couple of technical difficulties, so just bear with us. You can hear me better, he's getting better. Okay. So before the game time, we're going to make sure we're just as crystal clear as we can possibly be. We're going to make sure we sound okay.
And it looks like we have 1 minute and 10 seconds until tip-off.
110. It looks like the Steelers are getting warmed up, and guess what? I haven't seen them make very many shots. They might need a little bit of a learning curve to get in the chair and play. It's different. There's going to be a lot. During regular wheelchair basketball, if you've never seen it in a game, it's a very physical game. It's a lot of slamming into each other, a lot of driving into the paint. And a rule that they're going to be following today, you don't have to dribble in wheelchair basketball, but what you do have to do is if you do 2 pumps of the wheels, then you have to dribble. So it's kind of like you can drive in, but it's 2 pumps, then you have to dribble. But there's a lot of leeway. I'm sure there's going to be a lot of leeway today. We'll see exactly, but there's a lot more passing than dribbling, as you will see. But we're under 30 seconds now. We're just about to tip off. You have a couple of steals. You have Brian Allen shooting a couple of threes, trying to get warmed up. Josh Dobbs got the ball now. Warming up. And on the Edinboro side, it looks like business as usual. They have their usual pregame warm-up. Take a couple shots, and that is the buzzer, and we should be getting started any second now. And this is a packed McComb Fieldhouse. The only times I've seen it more packed is a couple of wrestling meets and graduation last year. So if you have the chance, definitely come out. There's a lot of fun, a lot of prizes. But if you can't come out, watch us right here on ETV. We'll be here for the entire game, streaming live.
And I believe out there they have a signed Steelers helmet by Juju Smith-Schuster, a signed towel from Erie's own James Conner, and another signed thing that I don't remember right now. But they have a lot of cool autographed things.
I'm really shocked James Conner is not on
I was thinking that too.
The wheelchair basketball team, and then also definitely not, also up here. I mean, we saw him up here about a month ago.
Oh, it was longer than that.
Maybe 2 months ago. We saw him. We got a couple pictures with him. So he's friend of the show.
Yeah, he stays around for sure.
So he's a local person.
He likes to support local basketball teams. And the game that we actually saw him at, I think it was a men's basketball game. And he went to high school. He graduated a few years ahead of Mike Beck. So I think they know each other. I think that's why he was probably here.
And the clock is off, so we should be starting, but both teams getting in a couple of shots. They want to make sure they're up to speed on everything. Nobody wants to look like a slouch out here. Everybody wants to be competitive.
It's no fun being a slouch.
There's no fun being a slouch. But like we said, this is it's hard to compare these two because you have professional athletes on one side, and really you have professional athletes on the other side. You have players like Kevin Athlete, who plays on the USA Olympics team. This is going to be kind of a battle. I'm giving the edge, obviously. I don't know if it's slight to the Edinboro wheelchair basketball team at the beginning, but I think once the Steelers get adjusted and feel the momentum of the game, kind of feel themselves out for how to play in a wheelchair, maybe it could be closer, but still I think Edinboro is going to have to take a little bit easy on them today here at McComb Fieldhouse. But still, waiting on it to start. I like Josh Dobbs' shoes, his pink shoes. I like those.
Ooh, those are nice. Those are some fresh kicks.
Here we go, Bob Shreve. We're ready to play some basketball. The crowd goes crazy. It looks like we are out for start. Try to stick with us as possible. We have our mics all the way up. We have our mics all the way up to our mouths. So
we're doing our best. We'll be screaming into the microphones. But if that's what it takes, then that's what it takes.
They never said calling games is easy.
It's not for the weak.
It's definitely not for the weak. And then also, I just want to introduce a couple other people. We're going to have sideline reporters also, so you don't want to miss any of that also. Give you some insight to the game. We have Ozzy and Jules. Ozzy on the left side, Jules on the right side. For you guys, there, it's going to be Ozzy on the right, Jules on the left. So we have a full crew out here today. A bunch back in the studio, a bunch up top on cameras. I'm trying to look how many cameras we have up there. It looks like we have 2 up top and 2 on the bottom. So 4 camera setup. Yeah. It's going to be a fun broadcast. It looks like we are about to get started. So listen to what is going to be going on.
Your Edinboro University Fighting Scots at the Pittsburgh Steelers. At this time, we ask that you please rise and remove your caps as we honor America.
We're going to have the national anthem here, so we'll be back in probably about 1 minute, 1 minute and a half, so don't go anywhere. You are listening to the Edinboro Sports Network.
What? Hi, how are you? Oh, we're on.
And welcome back to Macomb Fieldhouse for the Edinboro Fighting Scots taking on the Pittsburgh Steelers in wheelchair basketball. We're going to do the starting lineup right now. We have Will Speed, number 32. We also have number 55, Alex. Excuse me.
Number 12, Bryson McLeod. Number 14, Kyle Cavalier. Number 24, Corrales Dupree. Number 25. There's no 25 on the roster.
Not a good roster for announcers down here, so excuse us, but we can look up there.
And Robert Baez.
We're going through the full lineup now. We'll let Bob do the count.
And number 55, Alex Sala. The head coach of the Fighting Scots is Jim Black. He's assisted by Mark Keller, Chris Burke, Joe Jerome, and Carly Black.
lineup for the Edinboro Fighting Scots. Now we have the Steelers coming out.
On behalf of the Pittsburgh Steelers, we'd like to thank you for inviting us to Edinboro University this evening. And at this time, I'd like you to welcome the Pittsburgh Steelers footballers basketball team. For the first time this year, I don't think height and weight makes a whole lot of difference. From Southern Mississippi, former #1 pick, Pro Bowl wide receiver and team MVP, number 83, Lewis.
Quite the introduction if you could not hear. Former first-round pick, Pro Bowl wide receiver and team MVP during his playing time in the 80s and 90s, Lewis Lips.
6'1", 250 pounds, number 55, Arthur Moe.
Now we have linebacker for the Steelers. And enjoying the moment. If you're a Steeler fan, you know who Arthur Motes is. So.
From the University of Tennessee, 6'3", 220 pounds, number 5, Josh Dobbs.
Who many look at as Big Ben's replacement in just a few years, quarterback out of the University of Tennessee.
6'5", 250 pounds, number 80, Jake McGee.
Florida, tight end for the Pittsburgh Steelers.
From Bloomsburg University,
And from
6'6",
Bloomsburg,
330 pounds, number 71, Matt
Our
Farber.
very own Pashy brother.
what was that?
Our very own Pashy brother.
From Bloomsburg, barely fits in the wheelchair. Number 71,
6'3",
Matt Wheeler.
215 pounds,
He's
number
bigger than Gabe and I put together.
Allen.
My favorite, at least, is Brian Allen out of the University of Utah, drafted last year in the 5th round. He's the cornerback for the Steelers.
And remind you the players will be available for
I am excited. Once again, this game is going to be broadcasted in its entirely on ETV on the YouTube page at Edinboro Now. Excuse me, at Edinboro Now YouTube page. You can also follow along on our Twitter page, Edinboro Now. At twitter.com/Edinboro Now. I told you I'm going to be rusty
Or at Edinboro Now on the Twitter.
on the Twitters. So it looks like we have our starting lineups for both squads. You have Will Speed for Edinboro. Let's go down through all of them. Will Speed, Alex Saleh, number 13, Seamus McNally, number 21, Chase Wolf, also Kevin Atherley.
And it looks like interim president Dr. Mike Hannon is going to do the tip-off. It looks dangerous. He's going to get taken down.
And for the Steelers, you have number 71, Matt Wheeler, Brian Allen, number 80, Jake McGee, Josh Dobbs, and also Arthur Motes. And here we go. Steelers will start with the ball. It's going to be Wheeler, pass to Allen. Allen doesn't know he can just hold on to the ball and roll it a little bit. You don't have to dribble. There you go. It's going to be very loose with the wheel. See, he did about 4 pumps there, but it will not count. Now, quick shot, quick three, taken by number 80, Jake McGee for the Steelers. No good. Rebound by Wolf, and he'll go down to the floor quickly. All around the Steelers, nowhere to
Oh my
go.
God.
Pass behind the back to Athlete, down low. The Seamus, pass to Will Speed, who puts up a shot, and it's good.
It wasn't even a pass, it just landed in Will Speed's lap. Will was
Steelers.
like, oh, okay.
Steelers, got to get adjusted. You got to get accustomed with the chair. How are you going to beat somebody that knows it so well? It's going to be funny at first, but I'm guessing these athletes are going to find their stride, and it's going to start out at point. Arthur Motes pass to Dobbs. Dobbs will take it to the right side of the floor. Slowest I've ever seen somebody roll over to that side of the floor. Back on top to Arthur Motes. We'll call it a running jumper. 3-ball is no good. Air ball. Rebound by Edinboro. Expect to see a lot of
showing off on the Edinboro side. Pass down low, perfect. Alex Soleil, that's good, banks it in. 4-0 quick Edinboro lead.
The Steelers are all laughing, yeah.
They're like, yeah, we know we're gonna get our butts kicked, but it's okay.
Oh no. Oh, why is he trying to dribble it so much? Oh.
Dobbs coming over the half-court line, losing control, but Arthur Mertz is right there, saves it from going out of bounds. He'll pass it to McGee on that right side of the floor, back out of the top to Brian Allen. Brian Allen, definitely a foul, not called though. And he'll pass it to Josh Dobbs at the free throw line. Shot up is good. First shot of the game for the Pittsburgh Steelers, makes it 4-2, and Josh Dobbs is enthusiastic. Long pass down the floor like it's nothing. Quarterback to wide receiver, Alex Soleil. Fadeaway jumper is good. Josh Dobbs wanted to travel, did not get it. Ooh, that one might come back to bite the Steelers. No travel called. 6-2 score, just under 6 minutes to go in the first quarter. Dobbs with the ball, slowly over half court. Like watching a turtle play, and it's stolen away. Josh Dobbs throws his first interception of the game. Fast break the other way, taken by number 21, Chase Wolf, who puts up a three, no good. Rebound by Alex Soleil. He'll kick it back out for another three, no. He'll pass it off to number 13, McNally. McNally brings it to the top, pass to the left side to Soleil. Soleil shot up is no good. And a rebound by Brian Allen, No look to get it down the floor in a hurry. Pass down to Matt Feeler. Feeler stolen away as he was trying to get the ball to the middle to Arthur Motes. Man, you know, I never thought this would happen, but here we are. McNally, three is up, and it's good. Man, look at the excitement, look at the shock on the face of the Steelers. And
Jake McGee is going, how did that happen?
And an in-game swish is going to bring out number 71, Matt Feeler. It's going to bring in 83, Lewis Lips.
For the Pittsburgh Steelers.
For the Steelers, excuse me. Now Josh Dobbs hurrying down the floor, definitely a travel. Dobbs getting to the middle, putting up a shot up, no good. Rebound by Kevin Atherley. Man, I gotta get a video of this. Now Kevin Atherley pass to Wolf. Wolf out to McNally. McNally shot up, three is no good. Rebound by no one yet. Speed knocks it out of bounds. Oh, and jumping up on his feet is Brian Allen to signal, hey, it's our ball. Now Arthur Motes taking it down the floor. McNally's coming up, he's gonna steal it. Quite a collision. And that's a foul called, and man, getting kind of physical in here. That's unsportsmanlike on Brian Allen. He jumps up out of his chair. Ref might have to call him for that one.
They're gonna call it a block. It's gonna go back to the Steelers.
Yeah, so it's gonna be a foul on McNally. First foul of the game for McNally, first team foul also. 4:14 to go in the first quarter. Edinboro leading 9-2 over the Pittsburgh Steelers.
The who?
The who? Arthur Motes with the ball on that left side of the floor, pass to Lips. Lips down near that low block. He's gonna hit a fadeaway jumper, air ball, nothing. Rebound by Wolf, and Wolf, fast break the other way, gets it up to Soleil. Soleil, no one around him, puts up the layup, and it's good. Great find down low. Steelers' bad transition defense leads to two more quick points, and now pretty bad. I'll call it a decent pass, but Arthur Motes is not able to get his hands on the wheel, goes out of bounds, but the ref saved it and passed it back into Motes, so we're going to play on. Motes. Getting the ball, almost stolen away. He'll pass it to Dobbs. Dobbs sets up for a quick three, banks it in. Josh Dobbs with all of the Steelers' points so far. He has 5. Edinboro still leading 11-5.
The Steelers were still gloating. The Fighting Scots were all the way down on the other end of the court.
Yeah. Oh, and now a steal on one end. Almost comes up the Steeler way, but Edinboro able to get their hands on it. It's going to be Chase Wolf to Soleil. Soleil putting up a shot. Definitely a foul. Should have been called, and it is going to be called. And so it's going to send Soleil to the line, shooting 2. What a time so far. Steelers try to psych Soleil out, and they do. First shot is no good. Second shot, getting psyched out again, is going to be good. With the pressure on and made it anyway. And now Steelers trying to get a length of the court pass. Not going to happen as Soleil steals it away. Edinboro on defense just a second ago on the offensive side. Now Caskey on his back, stolen away by Josh Dobbs. Josh to Allen. Allen will get up. And let's see what he does. He's going to lose control of the ball. That's definitely not allowed. Brian Allen could not get to the ball in time, so he decided just to get up and run for it. Still lost control of the ball. So now Wolf with the ball for Edinboro, rolling in, shot up, is good. 14-5, 2:21 to go in the first quarter. Arthur Motes with the ball now. And Edinboro playing full court press now, and so the Steelers don't know what to do. Edinboro might have to back off and let them get a little bit of ground. And so it's going to be another turnover for Arthur Motes. A horrible day for him. McNally pass down low. Going to be knocked out of bounds, though. Good defense by Arthur Motes. Now Edinboro still with the ball. They're leading by 9 and looking to make it 3 more. Wolf with the 3, no good. Rebound by Soleil. And no reset for another 3. Shot up, no good also for McNally. And it's going to be a 3-second call. Ooh. And so it's going to be Steeler ball. It's going to be taken down the floor by Josh Dobbs. And Will Speed playing the least defense he's ever played so far this year, but it's causing so much trouble to Josh Dobbs right now. Motes past the lips, very close to the basket. Shot up is not even close, as it almost hits our camera.
Takes out Julie in the process.
I will say that's the best look that the Steelers have gotten so far in this first quarter, but they are down 14-5. Soleil with the ball. He has a lane. He's going to drive in on that corner, past the other block. Excuse me. It's up and good. Layup by Chase Wolf. Another double-digit lead.
We have 1 minute left in the first quarter.
And now the inbound pass stolen away by Kevin Atherley. Atherley almost throws it away. Will Speed did not see the pass incoming, but it's saved by Wolf. Wolf across the floor to Athlete. Athlete shot up, mid-range jumper is good. And it falls right on Brian Allen's head, it looked like.
40 seconds left in the quarter. Fighting Scots lead 18-5.
I don't think the Steelers have been on this. There's been one Steeler on this right side of the floor so far in the past, 5 minutes. But now they're finally making their way down to Dobbs. Getting the ball stolen away from him. Down goes Dobbs.
Oh my God. His face.
Right over. He's still stuck to the chair. So he stands right back up and sits right back down. It's going to be an intentional foul here. 18-5 your score, under 30 seconds to go in the first quarter. Edinboro Fighting Scots wheelchair basketball team taking on the Pittsburgh Steelers. Shot up by Brian Allen, three-pointer. That's a deep three, no good.
Oh no, oh no.
He might be going down, but he saves it. Fast break the other way. Edinboro not taking it lightly on the professional athletes. Another quick two, and Brian Allen gonna have a half-court heave, standing up. Shot up is no good, and that will do it for our first quarter. And so when we're ready, we're gonna send you over to our sidelines reporter. I'm not sure which one, either Halsey or Julie.
We're gonna send it over to Julie right now.
Jules looks like she's ready, so whenever we get the signal, you will be speaking to Jules, and she'll break down that first quarter and everything that happened.
Good evening, Edinboro. I am Julie Zarnick, and I am here at Macomb Fieldhouse where the Edinboro University wheelchair basketball team is playing against the Steelers footballers. right here. And we just got done with the first quarter. Edinboro's kind of kicking the Steelers' butts, but I mean, the score is 20-5. You never know what's going to happen. Right now, I want to take a moment to thank our sponsors. We got Eberly Physical Therapy, EU Student Government Association, Iron Empire Clothing, Shriners of Erie for Children. We got Alert Communications, ABC Medical, Edinboro Hotel Bar, Reebok Investments, excuse me. And then we got RES Agencies, Wayward Tattoo Studio, and WWCB Media Sponsor. Like I said, if you're not here, it is crazy, it is fun. Get over here at Macomb Fieldhouse and enjoy the night with the Edinboro University wheelchair basketball team and the Steelers footballers. All right, now I'm out.
Can we tell you everything about Edinboro University in just 30 seconds?
No way.
So let's just say, if you're looking for an exceptional and affordable education to build the foundations of your career success, you'll find it right here at Edinboro, where you're more than just a student. You're a fighting Scot. Schedule your visit or apply today at edinboro.edu.
And welcome back to Macomb Fieldhouse. We are here for the men's wheelchair basketball game against the who, Gabe?
I mean, they're very forgettable tonight. The Pittsburgh Steelers, Edinboro Fighting Scots wheelchair basketball team. At the end of the first quarter, we thought Edinboro was going to be a little bit of a nice guy.
Jack of Spades, blue.
They've been cheating. They're still down by 50.
I know, and I think the funniest part too is the Fighting Scots they're not going quickly at all. They're just kind of going at a snail's pace, and the Steelers still can't catch up.
Yeah, they're playing like this. The Edinboro is playing as soft as they've played all year, kind of like a practice speed, maybe like a 50%, maybe like a 25%.
Yeah.
They are taking it easy on them a little bit, but still, Steelers have not got adjusted yet. I thought that maybe they get adjusted a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna blame it on their motor troubles, and I'm gonna say that they didn't get here in time to practice. That's what I'm gonna blame it on.
I'm gonna blame it on that too. That's all it is.
Right now they're raffling off the various prizes. Someone just won the signed helmet by Juju Smith-Schuster. I was right.
And I think Josh Dobbs is trying to get a hold of the. I think the Steelers also, they're handing out autographed stuff of like the Steelers that aren't here, especially.
Yeah.
And then they're like, oh, let me sign it too. Like, why don't you have a couple other autographs? Like, we're here, we might as well do it anyway.
Someone else just won the signed terrible towel or mini basketball from James Conner.
It's quite a day, and so if you missed the first quarter, it's been a lot of excitement. It's been a lot of tomfoolery, we'll call it. The Steelers getting up out of their wheelchairs, quite a lot, falling over, running around, but they're still down by 15. This score 20-5, and we are looking to start the second quarter, and who knows? I mean, it looks like they're
taking their time.
Their time, so.
We don't have events like this every day, so it's good to bask in it, I guess.
It looks like they're trying to give the Steelers their breath.
I have an inhaler in my backpack. You think they need it?
They might.
They're looking tired out here.
They haven't started their summer camp yet, and so they're probably all at least a little out of shape. Hopefully this isn't showing of things to come, getting beat down this fall.
Well, I mean, the Steelers are your team, right?
Very much so.
Yeah, see, they're not mine. So I'm going to have to listen to you.
Who's
It's
your team?
Syracuse, the Seahawks.
Oh, my.
Yeah, I know.
We'll move on right past that. And it looks like we have a whole new starting five out on the floor for the Edinboro Fighting Scots.
They look like an album cover right now. They were all posing. They were ready.
It looks like we are about ready to get back on to the action. It's going to be Edinboro ball. It's going to be taken out by Dupree. Adjust it real quick. Yes, Dupree passes number 50. Lane losing control of the ball, but Edinboro comes right back up with it. It's going to be taken now by Dupree. Dupree across the floor to number 4, Zach Cradock. Cradock, quick three, shot up, no good. Not enough on it. Rebound by Josh Dobbs. Touched a couple of Steelers players, but Dobbs getting his hands on it. Oh, Dobbs, good pass. He's a quarterback all the way down the floor to Arthur Moats, but Arthur Moats, not a wide receiver, a linebacker, loses control of the ball, and it goes out of bounds and right into the hands of the Fighting Scots, and they'll take it down the floor in a hurry. This will be taken now by number 12, Bryson McLeod. McLeod pass to Lane. Lane puts up the layup, and it's good. 22-5 now, your score. Just over 7 minutes to go in the first half. Moats with the ball, using his feet now. That is definitely not allowed. Moats.
Anything goes in exhibition wheelchair basketball game.
It's street basketball. Shot up by Moats, no good. Rebound by Dobbs. Second shot is up, no good. Dobbs has all of the Steelers' points so far. Not that impressive though, because it's only 5, but his shot there, no good. Rebound by Edinboro. Fast break the other way. Steelers can't get on the transition defense side. Can't get a good transition defense, excuse me. And the shot up by Edinboro is no good. Rebound by Edinboro. Another shot. A second chance point for number 24. Number 24, excuse me, Dupuis. It's 24-5 now with 6:20 to go in the first half. Josh Dobbs taking it down the floor. He'll stop. Pass number 80, Jake McGee. Shot up the 3 is no good. Not even close, but it ends up in the hands of Dobbs somehow. Good pass to Brian Allen. Allen, pump fake. Finally a shot. All that smack he was talking. Air balls the shot, not even close.
He's doing his best.
He's doing his best. Brian Allen now interacting with the fans. He might go up in the crowd and be willing to fight. And now a steal by the Steelers, and now a steal by the Fighting Scots, and they'll take it down the floor in a hurry. Steelers trying their hardest to get back, but Edinboro just a little too fast. Shot up, no good. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Lips now. Missed opportunity there for the Fighting Scots. And Brian Allen gets stopped by Lane, and he asked the ref, is that actually allowed? Yes, it is allowed. Lane off the steal. He'll take it down the floor himself. He'll take it to the right side of the floor. He's on that right side, low block. Shot up, banked in, it's good. 26-5 now, your score. Just over 5 minutes to go in the first half. Dobbs rolling down the floor. He's their makeshift point guard of the game. Dobbs. Can't do anything with it, so he'll pass to Allen. Allen pump fake on the 3, looking to drive in. He has a lane, but just can't get his wheels to go, so he's going to take a shot. Not even close.
Oh, no. There was 12 on the shot clock. Why didn't they pass it?
Has he ever touched a basketball before?
I don't think so.
And so now, Edinboro, quick shot on the other side. Three-pointer is no good. They get their own rebound, though. It's going to set up a mid-range jumper by Lane. Shot up is good. Nothing but net.
Nice assist there from Dupree. A nice one-handed backward toss.
I wish we knew the shooting percentage. I wish the stats were up. Because it's Edinboro shooting lights out so far. Not a lot of missed shots. Steelers, on the other hand, only 5 points. Dobbs. We'll take it to the right side of the floor. Oh, he just got to put up a wild 3. No good on the shot.
This is honestly like if the Harlem Globetrotters were bad and missed all their shots.
Another fast break point for number 4, Zach Cradock. Steelers, they got to think about maybe a new strategy. Maybe put 2 guys up court all times for offense and maybe 3 guys back, because they are getting killed on the offense and defensive transition. Allen at that top of the 3-point line. Once he has the ball, Allen can't move. And he has the ball once again. And he'll stay put. Shot up, no good. And Allen didn't even look if it went in. Is just going down the floor, losing his towel.
Oh no.
He's still not down the floor. Everyone's passing him up now.
He's gonna get that towel caught.
But he's there playing defense. Great defense. Almost falls over. Shot up by the Edinboro Fighting Scots is good. 32-5. Edinboro has not scored since the middle minutes of the first quarter. Complete breakdown on the offense and defensive side for the Steelers. now. It's going to be Lips with the ball in that right side, far side corner pass. Back to the middle of Josh Dobbs. He's at that free throw line. He's looking to find something. He'll pass it back to number 80, Jake McGee, who puts up a 3. No good. They're having open shots sometimes. See, you have Brian Allen in the backcourt now. He's going to stay there. He's a little tired. He's a little sweaty. He has that towel. It's hard getting back and forth, so that's a good strategy.
You know, Jake McGee at least hit the rim with that shot. Everyone else is going like 4 feet up on the backboard.
See, they're getting shots. They're just not even getting close. And so the ball is going to go out of bounds. And the Steelers signaling that it's their way, and the refs are going to agree it's going to be Steeler ball. Now,
Ryan
Stratton pushing. Ryan Stratton on the Edinboro football team pushing Josh Dobbs, helping out quite a little bit. Shot up by Dobbs, no good though. So even with a little bit of help. But it's going to be a foul call. Wow. You got to think maybe some biased refs here.
Ryan Stratton hoping to get that spot on the Pittsburgh Steelers after graduation.
You know, Ryan Stratton might have been given a lot of awards for his sportsmanship and how good of a person he is. I'm not liking him today. He's calling an unfair game. And now Josh Dobbs standing up for the free throw. First one is no good.
I feel like something about this isn't legal, Gabe.
Second shot, no good also.
He was
goes
standing
straight
up
back
and
to
he
Dobbs.
still missed.
He missed both. They're football players, not basketball players.
That doesn't matter. They should have the precision.
Once again, automatic. Ooh. 34-5. I thought it was going to be bad, but I thought Edinboro was going to be like, here's an open shot for you guys. Just try to hit something. But Edinboro is playing hard-nosed basketball. They do not care if they are professional athletes. They are not going to give them an inch to shoot. Now pass, great pass down low to number 71, Matt Feeler. Feeler puts up the shot, it's good. And the Steelers get literally 2 points out of their 7 points, and then they all come together and celebrate and kind of forget about the game for a second. But luckily, the ball is going to go straight out of bounds. It's going to be Steeler ball off a bad inbound pass by the Fighting Scots.
Oh my goodness.
Now a bad inbound pass for the Steelers, but Brian Allen gets up and he shoots it on his feet, and Brian Allen still airball. What is happening? Lane with the ball for the Fighting Scots. He'll just drive in, put up the shot, banks it in. 36-7. Didn't even take it out. Full court pass. The Steelers, now Brian Allen's ball. Allen holding the ball, shot up to 3-point.
Accidentally
finally
backwards.
Yeah, he was rolling backwards.
Would have been a nice fadeaway there.
Finally hits the rim though, but it's no good. Rebound by Edinboro. And what a wild game we have so far. Now Lane, pass. 4-3, no good by number 34, Robert Hayes. Rebound by Edinboro though. Second shot by Dupree, no good.
Gets his own rebound.
Gets his own rebound.
Louis Lips was right there.
Still didn't get it. Now Lane, open 3, shot up, no good. Rebound by Dupree. And finally, after 4 shot attempts, Dupree gets it to go. 38-7, 15 seconds to go. Edinboro with a quick steal here. Now McNeely. Shot almost at the buzzer. Shot up to 3 is no good. Rebound by Dobbs. Now just a quick shot from half court. Shot up almost good for number 80, Jake McGee, but it's no good off the back of the rim. And that'll do it for our first half of action. 38-7 your score. We'll send it right over to Hawsey for our sideline reporter.
Welcome, we're back again at the Macomb Field House. So far, we're off to a great start. The Edinboro Fighting Scots are at a 38, and the Steelers are at a pitiful 7. But, you know, in their defense, they're used to being up and, you know, throwing the ball around. But, you know, our guys got them at this point. Our team is obviously so fast. They're whizzing around these guys like anything. But, hey, we'll see if they can catch up after the halftime.
Hi, you are on Edinboro Television. I am Julie Zarnick, and I am here with Brian Allen. from the Pittsburgh Steelers. Now, Brian, can you tell us how it feels to play out there on the court?
It's fun, but it's definitely challenging.
I noticed that.
My shoulders are on fire, but you know, gotta applaud these guys for what they do. You know, it's really amazing what they can do, and you know, just fun to be out here and you know experience this what we go through.
Oh yes, and it's for a good cause too. Wheelchair basketball, Edinboro wheelchair basketball. They're here signing autographs. If you are not here, get your butts over here at Macomb Fieldhouse Steelers and to watch your Edinboro Fighting Scots. Well, I'm here cheering for the Steelers, so go Steelers! Welcome back. I'm Julie Zarnick, and I wanted to take another minute to thank some of our sponsors here today. We got A Light in the Woods, Andover Bank, Brett Kiesel, that's nice. Okay, Charlie's Pub and Eatery, Creative Imprints, The Crossroads, Edinboro University Bookstore, and we got Fat Willie's Wing House, we got James Conner, awesome, John's Wildwood Pizza, Hilton. It's okay, hey, we're signing autographs over here, so. We got McDonald's, we got Outback Steakhouse, Pittsburgh Steelers Merchandise Office, Piper Press Print and Copy Center at Edinboro University, Pizza Hut, Subway, Sunview Golf, and the YMCA of Greater Erie. Right here at Macomb Fieldhouse. Back to you. Hello, Edinboro. Julie Zarnick here with Zadorian Lane of the Edinboro Fighting Scots. Now, Zadorian, how do you feel about playing the Pittsburgh Steelers?
I think it's truly amazing. It's been a great experience so far. These guys are awesome. They're super funny. We're out here having a good time. It's hot in this gym, but you know we're making the best of it.
All right, now you got to tell me, are you guys giving them a little bit of a break out there?
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure. We usually play rough against each other, especially against other teams. But since you know they're not a competitive wheelchair basketball team, we're kind of taking it easy. We're out here trying to have fun. So.
Yeah, the score right now is 38-7 Edinboro. So this is just the half. Come back to the Macomb Fieldhouse or just stay tuned on ETV and finish up the game with us. Thank you, Zadorian.
Hello and welcome back again. I'm here with Corrales Dupree. Obviously very busy signing autographs as you can see right now. Obviously we are up 38, they're down 7. So Corrales, what's up? I know you've been at the game for a while. You can talk about your organization and everything.
Hey, I'm Corrales and having some fun out here with the Pittsburgh Steelers and Edinboro University. Having a great night on this beautiful day. So I just want to say that everybody out here is going to know that adaptive sports is something that's difficult and we got to raise awareness for it, and we should have a crowd like this at every game for wheelchair basketball here at Edinboro.
Exactly. Very true, and we will support you no matter what. Corrales, thumbs up for wheelchair basketball, and we'll look forward to seeing you again in the next quarter.
Thanks, Ozzy.
Yes.
Hello and welcome back to the second half of action of the Edinboro men's wheelchair basketball team taking on the Pittsburgh Steelers. Hello, my name is Gabe Hypes, and I have been your play-by-play commentator for the first half, and I'll be your play-by-play commentator for the second half. And alongside me, we have the always wonderful Dakota Palmer.
Flatter me, Gabe.
And so it was a massacre. That first half, Edinboro.
That's an understatement.
Yeah, 38-7. They took it a little easy on them. But to our understanding, they might be changing things up just a little bit. So it's 38-7 at the end of the first half. And I believe now they are flipping the scores. And so it is now going to be 38-7 in favor of the Steelers. And so Edinboro is now going to be playing from behind. It's kind of a weird decision. I don't know. I don't know if I like it just because I think now Edinboro is going to be playing at 100%. And they were letting up on the Steelers a little bit, but now I think Edinboro is going to be going full blast. But like I said before, it's now going to be the home team is Edinboro. They have 7 points and now 38 for the Steelers, the away team. And we are just about to get started here with the second quarter. The Steelers, though, in that first half.
Second half.
In the first half, though.
You said second quarter. You said we're just about to start the second quarter.
Oh, my bad. In the second half. But in that first half, in the second quarter, they only scored 2 points. And that was by number 71, Matt Feeler. And in the first quarter, 5 points for Josh Dobbs. That's the game high for the Steelers. I'm not sure about the Edinboro side. You have a slew of Edinboro players with a bunch of points, but it's all flipped and none of it matters now. It's going to be 38-7 in favor of the Pittsburgh Steelers as we look to get started with our second half in just under a second. We're getting the ball rolling right here. It's going to be, I believe, actually they're going to pull the 50-50. I think you have Josh Dobbs at FaceTiming with somebody.
He was Snapchatting earlier, I think.
So just waiting for the game to get started once again.
047-394. 047-394. And the winner gets 100. Oh, 200. Oh, that was my half. I was thinking about that. $238. So you better hurry up. The number is 047-394. 50-50 winner. If you don't claim it, free hot dogs for everyone on the court. On the court. Is somebody here? You got a winner? It does match. Are you about to win? From Coach Frick? From Bill Frick? Well, you know, Bill Frick and I went to college at Steelers together years ago. He's donating that back to a fellow Phil alumni. Bill Frick is the winner. He has to leave out, so his fellow friends are going to give that money to him. Let's send a round of applause for Bill Frick, Coach and Bill Frick, and the Steelers. Hey, John Harbaugh, now we didn't say nothing about that. All right, second half, ready to kick off. Again, let's make some noise. Let's celebrate this wonderful night that we're having tonight with the Steelers and the Edinboro wheelchair basketball team, some of the greatest athletes I've ever seen. That's real talk.
Boss, he donating us back? I can't speak. You want, let's just throw half of it back. I'm just kidding.
And I believe that is our cue to get going. Let's get started. It's going to be starting off with Steeler ball. Once again, Steelers are now leading 38-7. They flipped scores, and nope, it's going to be Edinboro ball. Brian Allen's complaining, saying it should be our ball, but
in the wise words of Fergie, let's play some basketball.
excuse me, but now it is going to be Steeler ball. I don't know what that was. Brian Allen, instead of passing it in, just going to take it himself. Definitely not legal, but Allen.
Oh my God, did you just hear the screech that came out of his mouth?
And now a shove, but he'll pass over to Dobbs. Dobbs to McGee. To Feeler at the top of the key. Pass it right back to Feeler. He from half court, no good. Rebound by Will Speed. And here he goes down the floor. Will Speed all the way down the floor. Low block to number 14. Excuse me. Kyle Cavalier shot up, no good rebound by the Steelers. Up the floor in a hurry to Brian Allen. Brian Allen almost coming out of his seat.
He working so hard, he's keeping his crowd with him.
He manages to stay in it, but now he's getting double teamed, and Brian Allen once again pushing his way out of it. Might be a backcourt violation, but no call. And now he passes McGee. McGee not ready for it and just bounces off his back, but Josh Dobbs gets his hands on it. Fight for the ball. It's going to come up Dobbs once again. Dobbs the lips, shot up, no good, rebound.
McGee didn't even care. He said, Jake, and then threw it right at him.
Rebound by Edinboro. Down the floor in a hurry.
Good pass.
Is McNally to Soleil. Soleil shot up is good. Makes it 38-9 now in favor of the Steelers. Don't get confused though. Edinboro has scored most of the points tonight. They just flipped at the half. Feeler as the point guard now trying to dribble the ball, and he's going to dribble it right out of bounds. Ref helping him out there, trying to pass it back in, but he can't get his hands on the ball. And so a fast break the other way at Edinboro for good transition defense for the Steelers, but not in time. 2 quick points for number 14, Kyle Cavalier, as he banks in the layup. 38-11 now, your score, 6:15 to go in the third quarter.
The worst part is the Steelers are doing better than they were in the first half,
Yeah.
and they're still not scoring.
Little adjusted. Dobbs down low. Great pass. McGee shot up. No good.
Oh, that was sad.
He was as close to the basket as you could possibly get. He missed it anyway.
That made me upset.
And nobody going.
Oh, they're double teaming McGee now.
Lips passing to Dobbs. Dobbs, three-pointer shot up in the corner. No good. Rebound by Lips. Second shot, no good. Rebound by McGee. Third shot is no good. Fourth shot for McGee. And it's finally good. Goes crazy, and so does McGee. It makes it 40-11 now. 5:42 to go in the third quarter. Soleil down the floor, rolling it in a hurry on the right side. Low block to the other low block. Pass up is good.
Good pass.
Kyle Cavalier finishes the fast break, makes it 40-13. Edinboro has a long way to go, but if I had to guess, they're going to climb that mountain. Will Speed trying to block. Josh Dobbs falls over. Speed trying to get back up. He's going to have Chase Wolf come out and help him right back up. And he finally gets back up. But transition offense the other way.
Ryan Allen smacking Chase Wolf out of the way.
Steelers had a chance there. Edinboro was down a player. He had a 5-on-4 opportunity. Still could not capitalize. And on the other end, a quick three. Shot up, no good for McNally. McNally, no good. But he gets his own rebound. Second chance here for a three. No good also. No good, straight out of bounds. And Brian Allen gets up to celebrate. And that is poor sportsmanship. Where is the call from the ref? Will Speed coming in to fight him now. He's pushing him away.
Oh.
Will Speed is dominating him. One hand on him. Still rolling the wheelchair. I don't know what happened on the other end. I was watching the show on the other side, but it went out of bounds. They're going to be fighting Scots ball. Soleil.
Are right in the hallway to claim your prize. This is for the wheelchair team.
Driving in, shot up, no good. Now a quick pass over the head of Josh Dobbs. Josh Dobbs is going to try to get up and run for it. No good getting there. But he's going to get the pass in from out of bounds, and he's still airballed the shot. Hard to keep up with this game, but still a fun event. 40-13. Edinboro's got to start scoring quick. They want to get back into the game. Technically, they still won because their scores flipped, but they're still down. But McNally driving in, laying it up, makes it 40-15 with 4 minutes to go in the third. Lips with the ball. Don't worry about dribbling if you're the Steelers. Just worry about rolling. Lips. Bad pass. Out of bounds.
With a little smirk on his face.
Well, Ryan Stratton gets it in. Pass down low to Josh Dobbs. Shot up is no good. Even with the refs' help, Steelers still no match for this Fighting Scots team. The Steelers, good defense on that side, will knock the ball out of bounds. The refs are going to say it was last touched by the Fighting Scots, though. And so it's going to go Pittsburgh's way. McGee with the ball. And getting a screen from the ref, McGee gets around, still going very slow. If anybody needs help right now, it's Edinboro because they're down right now. Big with not a lot of time to go. Josh Dobbs puts the shot up, no good. Rebound by Edinboro. Coast to coast.
Oh no.
All the way. Brian Allen gets out and he's going to try to stuff Soleil. Soleil, great pass though to get around Allen. Allen still on his feet. Doesn't matter. Still second shot up. Soleil, third shot. Finally good. So with a player on his feet, Allen still, now Edinboro getting on their feet. I don't know what's going on.
Wait, what? Oh my God.
I don't know how to call this. I don't know what just happened. There we go. Let the game speak for itself. It could be McGee, three. shot up is no good, so the foul's going to be called on Alex Soleil. It's going to be a 3-point shot when the foul was made, so it's going to send McGee to the line shooting 3. First shot from McGee is good. 41-17 now, 2:27 to go in the third quarter. Second shot, no good. Josh Dobbs definitely cannot sit there and wait for the rebound, but he's going for it. Third shot is good. 42-17, 2:30 to go.
We've said from the beginning this is street ball.
This is street wheelchair basketball. Act like you don't know. Alex Soleil, pass to McNally. Across the floor to number 14. Back to Soleil underneath the basket. Banks it in for the easy layup. Edinboro clawing their way back from the deficit that was made by the Pittsburgh Steelers. And they're going to get the steal right here at half court. McNally going to drive in, but then pull it back across the floor to Soleil. Soleil to the top to number 24. Excuse me, number 34, Robert Bays. Bays puts up the shot. No good. Rebound by McNally. Across the floor to Cavalier. Cavalier shot up is finally good, so 4 chances later, 2 points come out of it. 42-21, under 2 minutes to go, and a full court pass all the way down to number 71. Underneath the basket, cherry picking his way to 2 points there as he lays it in.
I want to hang out with Brian Allen. He seems fun.
Utah people, they're the best people.
You're not even from Utah. You went there for 2 years. You're a poser.
You're absolutely right, Dakota.
You technically didn't even go here.
Yeah, if I'm a poser there, I'm a poser here also.
You don't belong anywhere, Gabe.
But now Soleil, deep 2, shot up, bouncing all around the rim, no good. Rebound by Josh Dobbs. Josh Dobbs holding the ball with his chin, trying to wheel out of the paint. It's going to go out of bounds. They're going to say it's last touch by the Pittsburgh Steelers. It's going to be Edinboro ball. Soleil at the free throw line, kicks out the Cavalier. Cavalier, mid-range shot, no good. Rebound by Lips. Cherry picking Brian Allen, who gets out of his chair and falls down. He might be better in the chair than on his feet. And there we go, missed shot. Gonna come up Edinboro's way. Arthur Moats back on the floor. It's kind of like soccer. You have the running clock, and so then Steelers players keep on coming in and out with no stoppage. Shot on the other end by Bays, no good. Now another cherry picking by Brian Allen. Brian Allen will dunk it. Something you never expect in a wheelchair basketball game, but it might be a first. From a football player, a dunk in a wheelchair basketball game is a first for everything.
To my right in the hallway, bring your yellow ticket, basket prize, please no ticket number ball. Next ticket, 143.
Now it's Soleil with the ball. Soleil, a 3 in the corner, a hand in his face, didn't matter anyway. Brian Allen even gave props for that one. Very well done. Now at the buzzer, Brian Allen trying a full court shot, no good. And so that'll end our third quarter of play, 44-24 in favor of your Pittsburgh Steelers, technically. And so now we'll send it over to one of our sidelines reporter, and we will be back in just a couple minutes with the fourth quarter, so don't go anywhere. You are listening to the Edinboro Sports Network.
Hello, Edinboro. Julie Zarnick here at the Macomb Fieldhouse, where the Edinboro Fighting Scots wheelchair basketball team is playing against the Pittsburgh Steelers. As you can see, we have a crowd going on. We just had Brian Allen in the fan area, in the crowd, getting these fans pumped up, which, I mean, the fans have been pumped up the whole time. It's been a good game. Steelers aren't as good as the Fighting Scots, but You know, the score is 24-44 Fighting Scots. At least they're giving it their all. I mean, that's how it's here. That's what it's going on here in Macomb Fieldhouse. Back to you. What?
Dupree at the free throw line will drive in, pass down low to low block to Kevin Atherley. Atherley shot up is no good. Rebound by Chase Wolf, second shot is good. Makes it 44-26, under 8 minutes to go in the game. Full court length pass to Arthur Mose. Are they going to count that? It went straight out of bounds. And inbound by the Cop. They are not going to call it.
When he made the shot, the Cop looked down and gave him like a nice little finger gun, like, yep, that was me.
And Arthur Mose will stay on that side of the floor. Great pass, now low to Dupree. That's Wolf to Dupree. He'll finish it off, 44-28 now. Again, full length of the court pass, stolen this time by number 12, Bryson McLeod. Now technical foul finally called on Brian Allen. See a technical foul for getting out of his chair. Finally, ref. And so it's going to send Chase Wolf to the line.
See, catching up with you there, Mr. 29.
And as you can see, kind of some intimidation on this free throw. Shot is no good. Big man McGee is in front of him. Shot up is no good. So missed both of the free throws. You can attribute that to McGee, but he didn't go get the rebound. And so it's still going to be their ball from this free throw because it was a technical foul. See, we play by the rules here in wheelchair basketball.
Since when? This is the first time all night we've played
We've
by the
actually
rules.
played by the rules. A missed three leads to a rebound and a layup. 2 more points for Edinboro. They're clawing their way back. Down by 14 now. Great pass to Brian Allen. 3 in the corner, no good. but he gets his own rebound because he got out of the chair. Now he gets it stolen away by Chase Wolf. And Brian Allen's pointing. It's off him, it's off him. You are standing up, Brian Allen.
Someone needs to put the seatbelt on.
Yeah. Now Wolf to Atherley, who I cannot see because the ref is in the way. Shot up is no good, but rebounded by Atherley. He'll put up the shot himself. No good. Own rebound. Third shot is finally good. Down by 12 now. Pittsburgh leads 44-32. 6:27 to go in the game. Josh Dobbs now taking it down the floor. He passes half court, getting mobbed by the Fighting Scots. He'll pass it away to Allen. Allen getting double teamed. Not quite sure what to do. He's pointing out with his head where he wants Dobbs to go, but he'll just pass it off to McGee. McGee, deep three. Double an NBA three. No good. Rebound by Edinboro. Fast break the other way by Chase Wolf. Chase Wolf just can't get his hands on it. It's going to go straight out of bounds. But the inbound pass by Pittsburgh going to go Kevin Atherley's way. Atherley to Wolf. Wolf to Dupree. Dupree lays it in. We have a 10-point game, folks, with 5:48 to go. Pass Arthur Motes. These guys can't make passes for anything. Oh! And now Arthur Motes will get hit in the face with the ball from Kevin Atherley. Wolf. Going around Brian Allen. Wolf. Trying to get it down low to Dupree. Stolen away by Josh Dobbs. McGee with the ball. McGee faking his way. He'll finally pass to Dobbs. Dobbs cross half court. Oh, he's going to be stopped in his tracks by Wolf. And Dobbs throws the ball away. Not quite sure what's going on, but I think there's going to be a foul called on Chase Wolf, and so it's going to be Pittsburgh's ball. 5:13 to go in the game. Steelers leading by 10. McGee with the ball down low. Shot up is no good. Rebound by Edinboro. Now finally fouls after fouls being called.
You know, at the beginning of the game, I was going to say I love how the student athletes band together. Like Ryan Stratton was being nice to one of the Fighting Scots, and now they're just calling Edinboro and everything.
Yeah.
I take it back. There's no camaraderie.
That's the three with the ball. Three. Pass to Wolf. Driving in, gets the pass, missed the shot, but it's going to be a foul called. It's going to be an offensive foul on Chase Wolf, and Wolf does not agree with that. It's 5 minutes to go. Still down by 10. It's anybody's game right now. Steelers can make a couple of shots. It might be too much for the Fighting Scots to come back.
Chase Wolf steals the ball, goes in for the layup. Gets the 2 points. Now they're only 8 away. I think they could do it. What do you think, Gabe?
I think they could do it. Under 5 minutes to go. Keep on getting a couple more steals, a couple of throwaways by the Steelers. Anything could happen, but now a steal by Chase Wolf. Now a foul by Chase Wolf.
Oh my God. Look at the size difference. Jake McGee is the biggest person I've ever seen in person.
Wow.
I know.
Big word for Josh Dobbs. Bad pass stolen away by Kevin Atherley. Quickly down the floor to number 4, Zach Cradock. Cradock will just hand off the ball for an easy layup. Makes it 44-38 with 4:15 to go in the game.
Wait, how tall is Trey Staunch? He's 6'4", right?
Could not tell you. I'm sorry. McGee to Dobbs. Dobbs double team. He's trapped. He needs a little bit of help. Dobbs trying to get out of it. Pass to McGee. McGee swarmed by Wolf. Puts the shot. Crazy shot. Desperation. Three. Wow. That might be killer for Edinboro. It's going to be hard to come back. Wolf down the floor to Cradock. Cradock will finish it off the easy layup. Steelers up by 7. Steelers. Arthur Moats. To the right side corner to Josh Dobbs. Dobbs puts up the 3, banks it in. What is happening? All of a sudden, the Steelers coming in clutch, and we have a huge celebration between Brian Allen and Josh Dobbs. What is happening? All of a sudden, the Steelers looking like the Steelers, the football team, and not the wheelchair basketball team. They're up by 10, 50-40 with 3 minutes to go. Quick shot by Edinboro, no good. Gets their own rebound. Chase Wolf trying to lay it in, no good. Own rebound, no good the second time. Third time, goes almost out of bounds, but it's going to be saved by Cradock. And no, they're finally going to call Cradock. They're going to say wheel touch the line. So last touch by the Fighting Scots. It's going to be Steeler ball up by 10 with under 3 minutes to go. And Brian Allen putting up a half-court heave, standing up. Shot up is no good. And now they're going crazy. Brian Allen finally takes a seat. 2:30 to go in the game.
We still have not got a winner for the Steelers basket.
Back to Wolf.
For the Steelers basket, yellow ticket number
Around they go.
424.
Good defense by the Steelers right now, not letting anything inside. It's Lane with the ball. We have to settle for a 3. Shot up is good, nothing but net. Puts it back down to a single-digit Steeler lead, 50-43 with just over 2 minutes to go. If you're the Steelers here, you got to think, hold the ball for a little bit, try to kill some time, but looks like they're trying to go fast pace as they throw the ball completely away from everybody and into the hands of the Fighting Scots. Dupree will pass it, trying to get down low to Wolf, but Brian Allen getting out of his seat once again. They're stealing away. It's going to be a technical foul called. It's just going to send Cradock to the line, shooting 2. If he makes both of these, he can make this a 5-point game with the ball with 1:45 to go. First shot is no good by Cradock. Second shot is good. Cradock shot up, no good on the 3-pointer.
We're going to take the ball out of bounds.
Now Kevin Alford in to Lane. Lane open 3, shot up. He's hit it before, no good this time. Into the hands of our sideline reporter, Jules. Now the Steelers inbounding it into Brian Allen. Allen going to go straight out of bounds.
Hey, Brian, you mind giving the ball? G9.
50-44, 1:38 to go in the game. Kevin Atherley with the ball. Atherley getting it right back. Shot up is good. Makes it 46-50 with 1:30 to go in the game. Steelers just trying to hold on to this slim lead. Edinboro trying to claw their way back. Dobbs to McGee. McGee double team, needs help. Just putting up a shot out of bounds, it goes. Not even close.
Down 4. We can do it. He's not sure of that.
1 minute to go. 4-point Steeler lead. Chase Wolf with the ball. Wolf getting around Dobbs. Wolf down low. Stolen away by McGee though. McGee. Great defense there to stop a surefire layup by Edinboro. But now a steal on the other end by Zach Cradock. Cradock taking it down the floor himself in a hurry. Cradock to the corner to Wolf. Wolf in the right side, far side corner, puts up the 3, no good. Rebound by Atherley. Atherley gives it back to Wolf, puts up the shot. It's good, and the foul called also. It'll send Chase Wolf to the line. Down by 2 with 32.6 seconds to go. Steelers leading 50-48. even though the more impressive team has been Edinboro, but on the scoreboard, it's saying the Steelers are leading, but Chase Wolf at the line shooting one here, right here. Do you make the free throw or do you miss it? You're down by 2.
Make it.
See, he misses it. It's going to get rebounded by Dupree. Dupree will put it up, shot up, no good. Rebound by Josh Dobbs. No shot clock now. Edinboro's going to have to foul. They're going to get the foul called, so it's going to send Josh Dobbs, I'm going to assume, to the line, shooting 2.
It's a jump ball.
No, they're going to call a jump ball. Possession arrow facing the way of the Steelers, but now they're going to call a technical foul, possibly, on Josh Dobbs for getting up. What is going on? Josh Dobbs is not happy with the call. His wheelchair is over there, and there he is. Now Brian Allen celebrating. They're going to say it's Steeler ball possibly, but Edinboro gets the inbound pass. Shot up by Dupree is good. Ties it up at 50 while Josh Dobbs is arguing.
I just got the perfect video of that while Josh Dobbs is in the background.
This game might be going to overtime unless one of these two teams can score right here. It's Brian Allen with the ball. Allen. To Arthur Motes, 15 seconds to go. And it's going to be a 10-second violation called as Brian Allen is going to leave this place. He wants to get out of here.
He's running back to Pittsburgh.
I see him over on that side. Oh, he's running back in.
Oh.
If you believe in Edinboro, make some noise!
14.7 seconds to go. We have a tie game here, folks. 50-50. Edinboro ball. It's going to be Chase Wolf inbounding it. Funny how it comes down to this. Into Cradock. Cradock. Over to Athlete. Athlete down low, puts up the shot, and the layup is good! 52-50 with 7.7 seconds to go. Josh Dobbs trying his hardest to get down to 4. He just might. He didn't have to put up a half-court shot. Shot up, 3. No good. The Steelers lose and Edinboro wins 52-50. What an event and what a finish we have here. Good sportsmanship all around, and Edinboro getting the 2-point win in this one, 52-50. Couldn't have been a better ending. And so I just want to thank everybody that was working tonight. We have up there in the Crow's Nest, Pat, Hunter, Luke. Over on the sidelines, we have Jake, we have Ozzy, we have Jules back in the booth. I know we have Professor Nash, we have Brandon. I want to thank Dakota alongside of me. You have anything to say to Dakota?
I mean, this is our last game for sure, Colin. So I guess as a graduating senior next Saturday alongside you, I just want to say thanks to everyone, Dr. Raymond, Chris Lantinen, Stu Nash, everyone in campus media, Gabe, Julie, Hazy, everyone.
So thank you to everybody. We're going to toss it to the reporters now, so thank you all for listening. Stay with us for just a minute. We have a few interviews lined up with our sideline reporters. We're going to toss it to them.
We're going to toss it to Hazy right now.
Jake, get the light.
Like,
Get the light.
Jake.
Okay, so I'm here with Josh, number 5 for the Steelers. So obviously coming in, your strength is obviously standing and physical. So how was it different coming in, having to sit and use your arms so much?
It was a whole different atmosphere, but it shows like the respect level for them and the type of athletes that they are. Like everyone's athletes in their own given right. So we had a lot of respect to them. My mom has been in a wheelchair since I was 5, so I have a lot of respect for people with disabilities and how they continue to move on with their everyday lives and don't let that stop them. So it was a great event. It was a lot of fun to come out, compete a little bit. We ended up on the wrong side of the scoreboard, but it was a lot of fun though.
Hey, what can I say? The Fighting Scots, fight to the end.
Right.
2 points are 20. Sorry, Steelers. I'm sorry. Burrow got you this time. So any last words for Burrow or for anyone in a wheelchair?
Well, 1, thank you for having us, Steelers, today. We really enjoyed it. 2, like people in wheelchair, people with disabilities. living with someone with disabilities, never let that stop you from your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It's all about what's up here, not what's physical. It's all about what's mental. So just work hard, put your mind to whatever, you can accomplish your dreams. And appreciate all the Steelers fans coming out, showing support, showing love. We had a lot of fun today.
Well, thank you so much for coming out and entertaining us. It was a great night tonight. Obviously, we have some very interested fans. Hi, want to come on camera? Oh, look at our little fans. Hi to the camera. Say go Burrow. Go go. Say go Steelers. Go go. Okay. Okay, well, thank you so much for coming out, and we're going to wrap this up. Burrow won by 2 points, 52-50, and we'll see you guys soon. Yeah? Thank you.
Julie Zarnick here at Macomb Fieldhouse. We have reached the end of the wheelchair basketball game against the Pittsburgh Steelers, and Edinboro took it home 52-50. It was actually very, very close. But hey, I mean, I kind of knew it was going to happen that way. What a great night. All the proceeds that came through for this fundraiser went to the wheelchair basketball team here at Edinboro. It was all for a great cause. But I did want to mention something to you guys out there. All you Edinboro students, anyone who's thinking to come to Edinboro, join ETV. Come take a look at what we do in the studio. You can be in front of the camera like me. You can be behind the camera. You can be up in the stands doing whatever you want. But check it out, all right? Have a great night, Edinboro. This is your girl, Julie Zarnick, saying good night.
So that will do it here for us here at Macomb Fieldhouse. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed. We definitely did. Your final score here tonight, 52-50 in favor of the Fighting Scots. And we already went through about everybody and said thank you to everybody. What a broadcast tonight. Closing out the year for sports on ETV, but make sure you stay tuned next year for football season, for pretty much every sporting event next year. It's going to be awesome. We have a full crew now. Good things to come for ETV and campus media. So that pretty much rings up our 2017-2018 school year for athletics. A good one to end on. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all for listening. Have yourself a great, great night.